cozy evening vlog. After a long day at work, we finally got home. We started preparing dinner. Tonight, I'm going to cook tinolang manok. Warm, comforting, and perfect for a peaceful night. First, I peeled the sayote. Then chop. Prepared all the ingredients. I sliced the ginger, chopped the garlic, and got everything ready before cooking. Then I started cooking by sauteing the ginger and garlic until fragrant. Once it smelled amazing, I added the chicken and let it cook for a minute. I added liver. After that, I added patis, a bit of seasoning, and black pepper to bring out the flavor. I added the sayote. Then I poured in water and let everything come to a gentle simmer. While the tinola was slowly cooking, I took that time to wash the dishes and tidy up the kitchen. I like doing this so everything feels clean and calm before dinner. Slowly, the soup came together, warm, comforting, and full of flavor. After everything was ready, we sat down to eat dinner together. While eating, we were chatting and having small conversations, just talking about our day and sharing little moments. It made the meal feel even more warm and meaningful. Once we finished eating, I lit some bukur to freshen up the house and make everything feel even more peaceful. Then it was time for my nighttime routine. I went to the washroom, washed my face, and brushed my teeth. After that, I did my skincare to keep my skin feeling fresh and hydrated. Now I'm getting into bed, ready to rest and recharge for tomorrow. Thank you for spending this cozy evening with me. I hope this video brought you a little comfort. Good night. See you in the next vlog.